So yeah, madam, Pallavi, madam.
Yes, yes,
Participants,
yes.
if you are willing only, we can take it further. If you are keeping
Exactly.
quiet, then we will also leave. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes,
yeah,
yes. So everything depends on the
yeah,
participants, so that we can tell about this particular topic as a whole, just in a just a concept of uh, in silico docking, in simulation. So this is a very important topic actually. Being a biotechnologist, I am telling you that I am dealing with secondary metabolites. I am teaching secondary metabolites. I have a few book chapters also in secondary metabolites. You can go through the chapters. So this is very important today. You know, basically regarding the pandemic we are going through now, the pandemic which we are going through, that is COVID-19. So we can target this particular disease, this particular virus from our point of view, from our part. Like, you know, docking is very much important. Without docking, you cannot target the different bioactive compounds. Like when we get a plant, when we get a medicinal or a aromatic plant, whatever, when we get a very important plant, first of all we go for the extract preparation, then we go for the different metabolomic study, we go for the LCMS, GCMS, then we go for the docking, then finally we go for the different tests, the toxicological tests, the animal model test, the cytotoxicity test, the antimicrobial test. So we go through the different kind of tests, and finally then we come to a conclusion, and then at last we start preparing a particular drug, particular medicine. We either make it in capsule form, or we try to make it in the tablet form. Okay, so these are the things we work. This is only in a nutshell I am telling you. We target the different plants which are found here in the northeast. So in that way we target the different secondary metabolites of the plants. Plants means the more toxic the plant is, more better for us, for the biotechnologists, because so that we can target the different diseases. Okay, especially now we are working with COVID-19. One of my student, he is now his plant of interest is, I have told you the name, Hutunia cordata. So this plant is a very good plant. This plant, he has studied famous virus, that is COVID-19, and we are coming to a conclusion very soon, as soon as possible. So, so I just wanted to tell you in a nutshell how biotechnology and this bioinformatics is very important. Now, in this subject, anybody can join. A person from the computer science background, as Ayasha ma'am has told, that she is not from the background of biotechnology, but still she is liking this topic, so she is here. So even Rashmi Ranjan, he is not from this field, but he is interested. He is giving the answers so nicely. I have checked the chat box, and he is giving very prompt answers. So you see, anybody can work in this field.
yeah, I am. Yeah, madam. I also was a bit surprised when he told. Actually, he was discussing with me a lot of things. I knew he was a CSC student, but I did not connect with his name. But when he told that he's from CSC and he answered a lot of things. So
Yes, yes, sir. That is
yeah,
the
we have
thing.
to
I'm so
appreciate.
happy. You know, people from different background, they are liking this subject, and actually, this is biotechnology. This is biotechnology. So we are dealing with all the things, like we are dealing people from mathematics, like sir you, people from chemistry, people from the different engineering backgrounds. They are joining us, and this way, as a whole, in a multidisciplinary concept, by taking this viewpoint, we can march forward, sir.
Yeah. If madam, if you just keep quiet. I will just ask the audience to put up some questions because they are keeping quiet. Yeah, Akansha Bali, can you? Do you have any questions?
Hello.
Jiten? Yeah, ma'am. Swati, ma'am, please.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Swati Bonde. Basically, I'm from computer engineering background, and recently I have started my working in the domain of bioinformatics. And I am really impressed how the genome sequence of human can be analyzed to predict what kind of diseases they may have in future. So by taking this thing into consideration, right now I'm working on analyzing genome sequence of human being to predict like what type of cancer can be developed in future. But sir, I have one query related to this. So if somebody can help me out for this, then that will be really very nice thing for me. I just want to know if we have a sequence of human genome, maybe in the form of those four acids A, C, G, T, then is there anyone who knows how these sequence of genome can be converted into numerical values by using some encoding methods? So I will be really grateful if somebody can help me out for this.
Yeah. Anybody who can
Ma'am,
answer this
actually,
question?
there's yeah,
Yeah.
ma'am. Actually, there's no
Jitendra.
such there's no actually such informatics only, but there's no software as such because it's a 3 billion basis long code, and converting that thing into something which is like just like numbers will not make any what we can say because it's not that simple. Just like it's not a binary code; it's a quaternary code, as in the morning some one of the speakers said, and also the sequences, the position of all the sequences is also very very specific because we have genes, we have coding regions, we have non-coding regions, we have regions which control other regions. That's why it's not just I can convert a to a zero or a G to a three, and I can make sense out of it. So most of, or I have not come across any of those maybe softwares or people who have done that because of the complexity of the genome. But it's a very nice concept that you have put in to convert into numbers. Uh, I have never come across any publication which has done that. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Does that answer your question?
But it's a very different line of thought, as you can see. Yes, Swati, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Swati, ma'am. Is it fine? Okay, I think some internet connection problem.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So that internet, look, again, God has to be with us for this internet. So actually, yeah, everything we need God. Yeah, God support. I was actually very, very
Yes.
tremendous pressure because here the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, of course, Wednesday too, there was heavy rain. And if power goes on,
Okay.
everything goes off. Sorry, power goes off,
Yes.
everything goes off.
Everything
So then
goes off.
whole
Yes.
thing will be disrupted. So fortunately, God,
Yeah.
even though it was raining,
Help.
so it did not get.
Fortunately, everything is helping Banav sir.
Yes.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Not helping me, participant and participants and the experts because they are with eagerness they are coming now. They must not go. What is that? Oh, धोखा नहीं खाना चाहिए ना. हाँ, उसी के लिए मैं बहुत प्रेशर में
Very
था.
good, sir. Very good, sir.
हाँ मैडम, और कोई मुझे बुलाना पड़ेगा. विपिन सिंह सर, कविता मैडम, सुषमा देव. Yeah.
Vana sir, you are lucky enough because you are on the verge of successful completion of this Atal FDP.
Ma'am, pardon?
You are lucky enough without any interruptions, without any internet disconnection. You were
Yes,
successfully
ma'am.
able to at least, I can say you are on the verge of completion of successful completion of the Atal FDP actually.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I am really.
Sir, congratulations.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I am actually
Congratulations, Vatal sir.
thankful to you all, and
Congratulations.
yeah, thankful to you
Yeah.
all. My one more session, if it goes well, recordings are proper, then I'm really happy because I can give it back to you. I will give it.
Decided already.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. Sushma, ma'am.
Yes, congratulations, sir. Very nice, very nice.
FDP.
It
Yeah,
was
yeah,
very interesting and informative.
yeah, ma'am. Whether you are all able to get something out of it, if that is so, then I am really happy.
Yes,
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 sir.
surely.
Yeah. So actually, if you see, I could have simply put biotechnology using machine learning. Now, in that case, what will happen is my seats would have filled in just 2 days. When I put machine learning, deep
Yes,
learning, big data,
Mm.
my market is already done. Now,
yes,
look
yes,
at that
yes.
topic, people naturally go to my what is that document, that browser. They look at that topic, and if they are really interested, they will join. That means the persons who are
Yes,
interested, they won't miss out.
That is the
exactly.
number is not a value.
Yeah.
Actually, the only the interesting persons have joined because
Yes, ma'am. Because it should reach those persons. Because
yes,
otherwise, all other persons will join. They will study the same linear regression
yes,
clustering
yes.
technique
Mm.
for time forecasting.
Mm.
They will join
Mm.
here. They will join there, there,
Mm.
and the real person will not be able to actually join. Actually, I have sent this to many institutions. I collected it
Yes,
personally and I send it to many. I think most of you might have got it at the last moment because I was sending it. So,
yes.
also, there are, as I told you, there are persons from right from medicine to mathematics. Of course, Biswa Deep Das sir is actually a doctor. He's working at AIMS. Okay, so like that, there are diverse mechanical engineer participants, and so all those participants from even Kerala, Assam, Gujarat, they were all.
But the lectures were actually from the beginners to the interdisciplinary branches people,
Yes,
because you just started from the initial initial level. That
yes,
was
yes,
very
yes.
helpful for us. Good,
Okay, ma'am.
sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah,
When will be the
anybody
exam, sir? Tomorrow?
exams? I am thinking I should keep it tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow I should keep it. Otherwise, I will float it. Maybe today, if everything goes well, I will float it today.
Okay, sir. Sir, and what about
Okay,
the
sir.
recordings? Will we able to listen to the
Yeah.
recordings
Look. It is
today? Today.
mandatory that we should provide the recordings to our
Okay.
sponsors. They will actually give you all the links of all the
Okay.
FDP's recording. So you don't
Okay.
need to worry. So, but
So
if
I'll
you
get.
want it now, I am regularly sending that update, isn't it? So
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Today,
you can
fine.
use that.
Not an issue.
It may take a few hours for
Yes.
giving permission. If I see the mail, then I start to give permission. Sometimes
Okay.
here, not sometimes, most of the time, my internet is very slow. So that's why it gets
Okay.
permission is bit
Not.
delayed.
Sure. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, Palai, madam, thanks for coming. So let's leave.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Anybody who wants? Somebody was. Okay, thank you.